Hey guys, what's going on? I hope it's not too loud out here. Anyway, I just wanted to tell the winner for the gift certificate before it got too late in the week. So I reviewed the chat, and the first person to guess was 87, and I showed this at the end of the call-in show, but it was 87. So the name was Jonathan Smith. So would you please email info@truthertalk, info at truthertalk.com, and just say, like, in the headlines, gift certificate winner, and put your address in, and I will get it off by the end of this week to you. Okay, I'm gonna do another call-in show this Friday around the same time, 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. So yes, okay, I can't wait to see you guys there. Have a great day, and peace, truth, and love. Bye. Mwah.